Defining social media marketing services. The phrase social media marketing generally refers to using these online services for relationship selling based on developing rapport with customers. Here are the different types of social content sharing services. Blogs and content posting sites, websites designed to let you easily update or change content and to allow readers to post their own opinions or reactions. Examples of blog tools are WordPress, Typepad, Blogger, Medium, and Tumblr. Blogs may be hosted on third-party sites, apps, or integrated into your own website using software. Video, examples are YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, etc. Images, Flickr, PhotoBucket, Instagram, Snapchat, SlideShare, Pinterest, etc. Social networking services, originally developed to facilitate the exchange of personal information, messages, photos, video, and audio, to groups of friends and family. These full-featured services offer multiple functions. From a business point of view, many social networking services support subgroups that offer the potential for more targeted marketing. Types of social networking services include full networks, such as Facebook, Google+, Instagram, and Meet. Short message networks such as Twitter are often used for news, announcements, events, sales notices, and promotions. Professional networks, such as LinkedIn and small profession-specific networks. Specialty networks with unique content, such as the Q&A network, Quora, or that operate within a vertical industry. Social bookmarking services, similar to private bookmarks for your favorite sites on your computer. Social bookmarks are publicly viewable lists of sites that others have recommended. Examples are Stumbleupon and Delicious, Wanelo and Thisnext. Social news services, on these peer-based lists of recommended articles from news sites, blogs, or web pages, users often vote on the value of the postings. Examples are Digg, Reddit, other news sites. Social geolocation and meeting services, these services bring people together in real space rather than in cyberspace. Examples are Foursquare, Meetup, other GPS. For more information on social media content service, do call us. We will market your product or business to achieve more.